So, good morning, friends. Today we will learn link between contract test and SAP utilities. Second, because we are doing history of bill creations process. The rate type classifies the register for billing. The following are some examples of rate type: on peak rate active energy, off peak rate active energy, on peak rate reactive energy, on peak rate active power, gas consumption, water consumption. The rate types are usually known at the beginning of the project and only needs to be maintained once. Link between contract text and SAP utilities. Rate category residential, for example, rate type rates. In this example, two rates are determined: on-peak households rate and off-peak household rates with both rate type on-peak rates and off-peak rates. In connections with the rate category households, customer without measured demand. In this case, the energy price for the single rate meter is identical to that of non-peak rate meter. So, the same rate can be used for both single and on-peak rates. In other words, you can use just one rate. Type of both single and on-peak rate. If the prices were different, then an additional rate type single rate and additional rate single household rate would be necessary. The rate bills for the consumption from the register. It is determined in customizing table using the combination of rate category and rate type. Then variant programs. Variant programs are contained in rates as rate steps. Variant programs are basic calculation steps. Easy consumption into price equals determination of the basic price or determination of the rental price. In this case, the demand price, basic price, flat rates, and the rental price are included in the on-peak rate as variant program. Then facts prices. The prices in the system must be entered as price keys. Each application requires that different price categories are entered, e.g., quantity based price, time based price, schema. All rates that can be billed together in the same contract installation. For example, on peak rate for household customer, off peak rates for household customer must be brought together in one billing schema. The schema contains the billing logic and processing order of the rates and rate steps. Variant programs. A schema can contain one or more rates. Universal billing engine. So data entry and analysis. Quantity, we do the quantity conversion and proration. Execution of variance program by schema. Validations of billing results. Generation of bill line items. When we do moving, then contract get created. At installation, we maintain rate category. In installation structure, we maintain rate type, rate facts. In rate data, we maintain price, rate facts, all the rate steps we maintain. So when we do the rate determination, the rate get created. In schema, we maintain all the sequence, the steps how the rates will be executed and will be carried out. In variant programs, all the calculation, all the programs are maintained. All the calculation logics are maintained in the variant programs. So when we build, so all the billing engines run and we billing documents get created. The billing engine is the core of billing. The billing process follows a fixed procedure: data collection and analysis. All data that is needed for billing is collected and prepared for analysis. Proration: if duties, prices, or taxes have changed during a billing period, the values relevant to billing, for example, consumption, must be prorated according to the date of the change. Quantity conversion: the quantities to be billed are determined from the meter reading results, meter factors, PT-CT ratio, and conversions due to thermal gas billing are taken into account. For example, quantity valuation. Quantity valuation is the actual contract billing rates and their variant programs are processed on the basis for the billing schema. Billing of billing results. Validations of billing results. The billing results are validated after valuation, generation of billing line items. After that, it generates the billing line items. Now we will discuss about the billing master data. Billing class, rate type, price operands, variant programs, rate fact group, schema, rate category.